The launch, MG Gloster has been well and brought value for money quotient to the large SUV segment. It's primarily connected with Toyota Fortuner and continues to do so. Now that MG Majestor has been unveiled, Gloster was supposed to be positioned below it. Now it has been discontinued altogether. At 2025 Bharat Mobility Expo, GSW MG Motors showcased its new flagship Majestor. The grand stage, it was revealed Majestor was sold alongside Gloster, which was flagship ICE SUV till date. A year later, there has been fresh development in MG's current flagship SUV. The reports it is on the verge of entering the current flagship ICE SUV. This is a rather interesting turn of events for a company which has previously will continue to be on sale along with Majestor, positioned below the pricing is concerned. The new Majestor will replace Gloster in the upcoming lineup. Majestor is like a facelift to Gloster, which is more equipment, more off-road prowess, large dimensions on paper mount, dominating an all-new, more round design based on Gloster's underpinning. So its primary rival was Toyota Fortuner. Genre-wise, it also rivals Isuzu MU-X. Price MG Gloster also rival Jeep Meridian, Skoda Kodiaq, and soon to be launched Volkswagen Tiguan. Now Gloster is at the end of the life cycle. Majestor will rise to the occasion and take up Gloster's mantle. MG Motor India is looking at a production volume of 1,000 units per month. Pre-booking is open and only pre-book customers get exclusive benefits and price. MG Majestor in India will happen in April 2026 and deliveries begin in May 2026. It packs a new design like the revised front and tail section. On the inside there is a host of new features and has been added. While the 2.0 twin turbo diesel engine is retained, MG also gets 3 locking, only one in a segment to offer.